What?
Hey man, you okay?
No, I'm all right. I'm okay.
No, what's wrong?
No, it's just the stock market.
The stock market is back. It's
It
good.
what?
Yep.
It is?
No, it's good. Quantum stock's good.
Oh.
All right, I'll see you.
Okay. Oh. All right. Peace. ¿Qué pasa, familia de dinero? I'm your host, Hatcher, a truck driver on the detour towards wealth, and I hope that you join us on the journey. And ooh, SoundHound, you've been acting very strange. But, I mean, let's go ahead and do a real quick recap on the stock market. I mean, it absolutely tricked me. It was a real knee slapper. I said, oh, wow. It just went down. But then hey, it's all good. It's all good. We back, right? But I want to say, if you are already subscribed to the channel or you are newly subscribed, I want to say a huge shout out to you. Thank you so much for being a part of the Familia de Dinero. Appreciate you. And also, if you're already in the Discord, shout out to you. You are the ones that got in for free starting January 1st. Discord will be Patreon members only, and grandfathered in anybody that's already in there. So without further ado, if you're new to the channel, I ask nothing from you. Not a thing. What am I? Am I Dr. Seuss talking about eggs and ham? Green egg. But I ask nothing from you, not to like, not to comment, not to subscribe, rather get the information that you need. And if you feel obliged to join the Familia de Dinero, wouldn't we love to have you? Come on now, come on. And my daughter has something for everybody.
Thank you for watching.
Oh yeah.
And subscribe our video.
Oh yeah.
And
like. Thank you. And we're gonna go ahead and look at SoundHound because it's been a little sus. I mean, it's making no sense. The stock market first and foremost was acting like cat dog. Have you ever seen, like, how does that even happen?
Hey, cat dog. Never mind.
I don't even want to know the dynamics of that. Okay, so we have a Bezinga article, a closer look at SoundHound AI's option market dynamics. Financial giants have made a conspicuous bearish move on SoundHound AI. Our analysts of option history for SoundHound AI revealed 17 unusual trades. Delving into the details, we found 41% of the trades were bullish, while 52% showed bearish tendencies. Out of all the trades we spotted, 4 were puts. Okay, all right, with the value of $168,730, and 13 were calls, value at 1.2 million or $1,216,924. That's a lot. Can anybody just hand that to me? You know what I'm saying?
How about no?
We have another article from MarketBeat. SoundHound AI shares gap down. Here's why. These articles came out today, so December 20th, if I get this video out when I'm making it. SoundHound. Shares of SoundHound. I said SoundHound. Shares of SoundHound AI Inc. gapped down before a market open on Friday. The stock price had previously closed at $18.18, but opened at $18.20. SoundHound AI shares last traded at $17.75 with a volume of 8.8 million or 8,841,553 shares. What? I don't want this. If we look at the chart, so some of those articles are a little bit behind, but on the 5-day, we are still up 27%. I mean, we're nowhere near where we were December 18th, but a huge thing. And if you're on the Discord, I kind of give out a report before market open exactly what might possibly happen. I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I a crystal ball, and you will lose money in the stock market, but we are at $22, and the highest we hit for the week is $23.97, close to the $24 mark. I believe we hit it, just didn't do it. But from where it started, if you did like an options call, you would have been At the 6 month, we're still up 437%. And a lot of individuals, of course, are just now getting into the stock and they're worried. Again, if you buy low, you're just sitting here like, that's nice. If you bought in around when I bought in, you're probably like, in the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lions sleep. But ladies and gentlemen, that is not why this is very strange. So I went on SoundHound's website and I looked at their SEC filings and I noticed, dang, got it, what in the world? Form 144, Form 144, 144, 144. Now I just sound like somebody that's doing like one of those ballroom dances. But delving into it, it kind of started December 18th. So one of them was cool. I mean, we had a 4, but now we got a Form 144, and it's an insider prior intended sale of restricted stock, right? So we have one on the 18th. And we have Michael, I'm not even going to try to say that. Relationship to issuer is officer. And we also have the securities that are going to be sold as common. So this is, again, people inside, and not insider trading, just insider selling. And so we have another one that is Sarah Nitesh. And so they sold 57,761. They do have quite a bit. So they're taking profit, which is expected. We have another individual selling not a whole lot. And this individual is going to be Imamid Majid. I'm sorry if I do not mean to brutalize names. I mean, my name ain't too easy to say either. Trust me. Ham James Ming sold around the same. And so we also have Mohajir Ki Van. They sold quite a bit, but they do have a big position. So they're selling too. Another individual, Stone Hawker Timothy, sold quite a bit around the same. So they're coming out with a little bit. So Zagoresik Michael, I'm pretty sure that's their last name, and then Michael's their first name, sold about 60,000. And lastly, we have Michael again selling, I'm pretty sure. But overall, if we count how many that has been sold over time, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And of course, if you look at the chart here for how long SoundHound has been down, it's been quite a year for them. I mean, starting all the way in April 2024, they've been on that downtrend. So from April 22nd all the way till October 25th, and this is just for the year, they've been low. If we look at the 5-year, they've been kind of in the limbo. We've seen it go up, but nowhere near we're hitting highs. So a little sell-off is good. It pumps up the market. And I'll give you guys my opinion. Now, SoundHound is something where you have to be a little bit wary of, because their biggest catalyst is going to be NVIDIA, right? Their earnings and financials, they're not horrible, I'm not gonna lie, but a lot of the catalyst is because of the AI wave and quantum computing wave that's pushing this stock up. I do like what they're doing. Don't get me wrong. I do like SoundHound as a company, and I can definitely see a bigger explosion of this stock in the near future. But again, if you look at the financials and you also look at the company itself, to make it this much, the biggest catalyst is NVIDIA. A lot of individuals know that. Do I see a significant pullback? I see that there's going to be some sales. I do see that there is potential to go higher, but it's going to be a battle to get to that $30 mark. Definitely, I don't see it by the end of this year hitting $30. If it does, that's crazy. But you know, I could see that by the end of the year we hit the $25, $26, $27 level. And that's about it. If we're still on a bullish run, we had a lot of economic data that came out, and on top of that, Jerome Powell, that was not too much bullish about the economy overall. We have a not so good jobs market going on and being kind of coated over and painted over in order for the market to kind of stay positive. And it seems like the initial news caused the market to fall, but then recuperate. And I do believe that it's mainly big time investors or institutional investors, Wall Street, pulling their money, causing people stop losses to hit, causing people to panic, sell, and then all of a sudden come back in then at a lower price when they finally, like, these are quality companies, so hey, we want to buy in as low as possible. How low can we go? Then they start buying, then we hit all-time new high. So Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this information helps you when it comes down to SoundHound and the decisions you make. I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I telling you any kind of financial advice. If you got to this point and you're already subscribed, make sure you hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you gain the information that you need and you feel like you would love to stick around. Join the Discord before January 1st. By that time, it will be Patreon exclusive only. So definitely get in while you can, and I'll catch all of you familia de dinero in the next one. Adios. Peace.